So once again, good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir Vincent.
Good morning.
Good morning, classmates. I'm glad to see you again.
Okay, I'm glad also to see you. So, ayan. So our lesson for today is all about performing series of 2 or more operations involving MDAS correctly. So, when we say MDAS, yan yung 4 operations natin in mathematics. That is multiplication, division, addition, and
subtraction.
That is subtraction, okay? Ayan.
Where's their plus?
Ha?
There's plus.
Anong plus?
There's plus.
What plus?
Anong plus? Ayan.
What?
So kapag sinabi natin multiplication, what is the sign? So kapag sinabing operation, yan yung 4. The multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? Pero pag sinabi ko, paano pag sinabi ko naman na, what is the sign for multiplication? Ayan yung sasabihin nyo na X. Sign for addition, that is plus. Okay? Sign for subtraction, minus. Okay? Ganun siya. So, pero pag sinabi kong operation, that is your multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Naintindihan ba?
What about division? What is the
divide?
code for that?
Divide.
Oh.
Okay, stop writing.
Addition is plus.
Stop writing from the screen.
I cannot clean.
Ayan. Stop writing na sa screen. Stop writing sa screen.
Right, sir.
Okay, sir.
Ayan. So at the end of this lesson, you're expected to perform multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction correctly. So paano nga ba gagamitin niyang tinatawag natin na MDAS? Okay. So here is the problem. So meron 3 magkakaibigan. Si Melissa, si Lorraine, and si Rina. Okay. So ang problem nila, 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 4 is equal to unknown. So, sinolve ni Melissa. Okay. So, ang ginawa niya, 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 4. So, ang ginawa niya is to multiply muna. Ginamit niya muna si multiplication. Chloe, stop writing from the screen. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, ang ginamit niya muna or ang ginawa niya muna is to multiply. Kaya nakuha niya si 48. Therefore, 8 times 6, that is 48. Tama? Yes? Okay. So, next na ginawa niya is to add 3 from 48. Kaya ang naging sagot niya is 51. Then, sinubtract niya si 4. That is 47. So, ginawa niya muna multiplication, that is M. And then, addition, that is A. And then, sinunod niya si subtraction. So, ang ginamit niya is multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, finalo niya ba si MDAS?
No.
Search in Google.
Maybe. Okay. Ayan, so maybe. So, let's try. So, let's try Lorraine. So, Lorraine's solution, we have 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 4. So, ang ginawa niyang una is inad niya muna si ito, 3 plus 8. That would become 11. So, ang ginamit niya muna si addition. Okay. Now, ang ginawa niyang sumunod is pinag-multiply niya. That is multiplication. And last thing na ginawa niya is subtraction. So, magkaiba ba sila ng solution? Magkaiba ba sila ng nakuha?
Yes.
Yes. So, kay Melissa, that is 47. Kay Lorraine is 62. So, sino kayang tama sa kanila? Let's try Rina's solution. Okay. So, ang unang ginawa ni Rina ay... Okay. So, ang unang ginawa ni Rina is to add then 3 plus 8. That would become 11. So, ang una niyang ginawa is addition din. So, next na ginawa niya is subtract niya si 6 and 4. So, subtraction. And ang last na ginawa niya is to multiply. So, magkakaiba sila ng solution, pero itong dalawa ay magkapareho ang sagot. Okay? So, sino kaya ang tama sa kanila? Who among Melissa, Lorraine, and Rina solved the equation correctly? Okay? So, the equation 3 plus 8 times 6 minus 4 involves series of operation. Tama? So, hindi lang iisa yung operation na ginamit. So in solving equations like this, there are rules to follow in order to have one common answer. Okay? So si calculator ninyo, it can be your phone, it can be the calculator one,
Google.
yung maliit lang, or yung calculator sa mga computers or any gadget. Ayan, sa may calculator. So iisa sila ng ginagamit na operation, na formula. That is what we called MDAS. Okay? So for simple calculators, yung mga simple lang na calculator, ang ginagamit na rule is the MDAS. So let's try to find out kung paano ba gamitin si MDAS. Sorry. Ayan. So paano nga ba natin gagamitin si MDAS? So rules on order of operation. So rule number 1, work from left to right, whichever comes first. Perform the multiplication and division. So ang gagawin daw natin is whatever or whichever comes first sa multiplication and division. Okay? So ang una lang nating pwedeng galawin ay si multiplication and division. So whichever comes first from left to right. Okay?
There's no glasses na, teacher.
At the same time, pagkatapos mong ma-multiply or divide, you're going to perform addition and subtraction naman from left to right then, whichever comes first. So, tignan natin. So, 3 plus 8 times 6. So, anong unang gagawin? Whichever comes first daw. Anong unang makikita dyan? That is multiplication. So, 8 times 6. Tama? Therefore, multiply 8 times 6, that would become 48. Kasi nga, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that would become 46. So, multiplication is just a repeated addition. Okay? Now, tapos nyo nang i-multiply yung problem natin. May i-divide pa ba tayo? May division pa ba dyan? Wala na. Therefore, wala na po. Wala nang division dyan. Therefore, proceed na to the second rule, which is left to right, whichever comes first, perform addition and subtraction. So, anong mauuna?
Addition.
Therefore, 3 plus 48, that would become 51. Okay.
Stop
Then,
writing!
next one is subtraction na. Kasi wala na siyang i-add. Therefore, you can start subtracting. Okay? Ayan.
Oh my God.
Ayan. So, therefore, 51 minus 4, that would become what? So, subtract.
47.
That is equal to 47.
47.
Are you sure that's 47?
Wait.
Yes.
Okay. So, the answer is 47. So, kaninong solution? Kay Melissa. Gets?
Yes.
So, si Lorraine and Rina didn't get the correct answer. Okay?
It's Melissa. It's 47.
Okay. The answer there is Melissa. Okay.
I searched in Google.
Okay. Ayan. So, let's proceed.
Sir, do we have music
Later.
later?
Okay. Ayan.
Afternoon.
This one. So, there, let's try to have this. So, example, number 2. Ayan. So, 15 minus 16 divided by 4 times 2 plus 6. So, first rule natin is left to right, whichever comes first sa multiplication and division. So, ano una natin gagawin dito? Is it the multiplication pa din? Ito pa din ba?
No. Yes.
Yes? No na.
No.
Whichever comes first. Kung anong nauna? Anong nauna? Is it multiplication or division? So that is division. Vince, stop writing. Okay. Ayan. Therefore, ang unang gagawin natin is to divide 16 and 4. Therefore, 16 divided by 4, that would give us the answer 4. Okay. Now, anong susunod? Pagkatapos mo mag-divide, kung wala ka nang i-divide na iba, you're going to proceed on multiplication. Therefore, so nakuha mo si 4. So, naging 15 minus 4 times 2 plus 6 na siya. So, lumate na. Therefore, i-multiply na natin. So, 4 times 2?
8.
The answer is 8. So, pagkatapos nun, tapos ka na ng division, tapos ka na ng multiplication, ang susunod naman is to subtract or add. So, whichever comes first. So, 15 minus 8 plus 6. Therefore, we're going to subtract. So, pag nag-subtract tayo, 15 minus 8, that would give us the answer 7. So, pagkatapos mo mag-subtract, you can now add. 7 plus 6, that would give us the answer 13. Ayan. So, let's try to solve this. Ayan. So, 7 plus 5 minus 2. Ayan. So, whichever comes first. Meron ba tayong i-divide dyan?
No.
Meron ba tayong i-multiply?
No.
Therefore, we can proceed to second rule. Meron ba tayong i-add?
Yes.
Meron ba tayong i-subtract?
Yes.
Okay. So, nasa rule number 2 lang tayo. So, anong una natin gagawin? Is it add or subtract?
Add.
Add. Bakit add? Kasi siya yung nauna. Okay. So, 7 plus 5.
12.
12.
That is 12. Minus 2.
10.
The answer there is 10. Okay. How about this one? 10 minus 3 plus 6. Anong mauuna? Is it subtraction or addition?
Subtraction.
Okay. Very good. Now, 10 minus 3. That would give us
7.
7. So, 7 plus 6.
13.
13.
That is 13. How about number 3? 4 times 6 divided by 3. So, anong mauuna?
Multiply.
So, 4 times 6.
24.
24.
Ilan? 20?
24.
Now, 24 divide 3.
8.
So, 24 divided by 3.
72.
The answer is
72.
8. Okay. Gets na? So, this is 10. This is
13.
13. This is 8. Tama?
13 looks
Yes.
Ayan. How about this one? 14 divided by 2 plus 5 minus 1. So, whichever comes first sa multiplication or division. So, ang nauna is division.
7. It's 7.
So, this is 7 plus 5 minus 1. So, 7 plus 5
12.
minus 1.
12 minus 1. 11.
That is 11. Gets na ba ang MDAS?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Ito, anong mauna sa number 5? Is it division or subtract or multiplication?
Division.
Division. So, 25 divided by 5.
5.
5.
That is 5. So, 5 times 3 plus 8.
15.
So, that is, this one is 15 plus 8.
20.
Plus 8 and 3.
Sige.
20.
The answer is
23.
23. Naintindihan na ba?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Ayan. Oops. Sorry.
Oh.
Ayan. Ayan. That is
MDAS.
already MDAS. Okay. So I'm gonna show you your your worksheet. So ang madali lang yung worksheet.
Yes.
So
Yes.
ang gagawin lang dito, hindi yan. Sorry. Yan pala yung nauna.
MDAS. MDAS.
MDAS.
Is that the week 2?
Wait lang.
Trainer.
Sneak peek. Fastest sneak peek.
So for week 2, this would be your worksheet. So papakita ko na para alam na kung paano sagutan. So this is your worksheet. Tada! Charot lang. Okay.
A name.
Okay. So write the order of operations involved. So you're just going to write the order of operation involved. For example, 30 minus 12 divided by 4 times 5 plus 8. So anong unang gagawin dyan? Whichever comes first. Whichever comes first. That is division.
Division.
So ang sagot mo dito, division. Next one. Pagkatapos mo mag-divide, next na gagawin mo is to multiply. That is multiplication. Tama?
Yes.
And next na gagawin mo is to subtract or add. Or add or subtract. So anong nauna? Subtraction. That is subtraction. Next one is last one, or I should say last one. That is
How are we gonna write it po?
ito lang, ganito lang. Division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition lang yung magiging sagot natin. Nakuha?
Oh, I know.
So teacher
It's
is the
very
number 1.
easy.
So teacher is the number 1. 3 times 7.
That is, for number 1, anong unang sagot?
3 times 7.
Multiplication. So, ang magiging sagot mo is the operation, ha? So, that is multiplication. So, ang hirap magsulat. Okay, ganun na.
Are you
Multiplication.
going to write the multiplication?
Yes. Then, pagkatapos mong multiply, you're going to perform subtraction. So, isusulat natin dito.
You could.
Oops. Yan. So, that is subtraction. Parang ganun lang ang gagawin, okay?
So the answer already.
That is the answer, okay? So, ganun lang yung gagawin. And, next one would be, I think that's all. Ayun. Ito naman, you're going to answer naman. Ito, you're going to analyze the given mathematical sentence, then perform the indicated operations, applying the MDAS rule, okay? So you're going to apply the MDAS rule. So for example, this one, 22 minus 3 times 8. So anong una natin gagawin? Multiplication. So 3 times 27. I mean 3 times 7.
3 times 7.
So yung hindi mo nagalaw, you're just going to bring it down, okay? So 3 times 7, that would give you 21. So minus 21. Therefore, the answer here is 22 minus 21.
1.
The answer here is 1. Ganun lang. So gagawin mo, or you're gonna use or apply the MDAS rule. Okay? So yung question sa taas, yun din yung nasa baba.
We're not gonna write like any sentences.
Nope. Only answers. For example, is this, number 3. Medyo mahirap. Division. Ang division ng mauuna? So 64 divided by 4. And then, pag nasulat mo na dito, times 7, di ba? Plus 12. Parang ganon. And then, kung yun nakuha mong sagot dito, susulat mo dito, plus 12. So, i-bring down mo yung hindi mo nagalaw, okay? Then, the answer would be, ito na. Nakuha? Ayoko na
Zero,
sabihin yung,
teacher.
ayoko na munang sabihin yung sagot. Okay? This is your worksheet. Okay. So, gets na ba?
Yes po, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, see you this afternoon at 2
Wow, that was
o'clock.
fast.
I mean, yes, 2 o'clock.
Sir, are we gonna do music later?
Hindi muna I think di muna tayo mag-music later kasi I'm going to discuss more for this mathematics kasi medyo kailangan natin mag-abol because next week would be your exam.
Teacher,
Next week?
For the second quarter, yes.
teacher, December.
Wait for further announcement. I think November
It
23.
But it was just exam.
Yes.
It was October.
Nga nga.
But sir,
Yes.
November.
But then let's
Teacher,
just
no.
wait for just wait for further
I
announcements.
cannot draw.
Wait for further announcements, okay?
Yes po, sir.
So that's it. Okay. Okay. So you can finish your worksheet now. You should finish your worksheet. So if you have if you still have questions, you can ask me later. Or you can ask me now. Meron pa bang tanong? You can just message
No
me
po,
on
sir.
Facebook or Messenger, okay? Or you can message me also in Edmodo. So
Take a melody.
Oh,
okay. Okay. So goodbye, grade 4. See you later. 2
Okay po,
o'clock.
sir. Thank you po.
2 o'clock po tayo later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Teacher, bye.
Bye.
Bye. I will
Bye.
read.